this video, I will show you the using Avogadro software how to build an atomic model, and also I will show you how to modify the angle of the atoms and also modify the distance angles and the dihedral angles. So this video especially represent the capability of Avogadro version 1.2, which is available for Mac PC. So for examining and creating the structure of the molecule, and for the use of simulation and quantum chemistry program, Avogadro can the program this software can be used. So we all know that Avogadro is an advanced molecular editor and visualizer designed for cross-platform, in which you can use in computational chemistry, molecular modeling, and you can use for bioinformatics, material science, and related area. This software especially offers flexible, high quality rendering and powerful plugin architectural view. So this Avogadro can read file written in various format, most common of which is called PDB file, which stands for protein data bank, and it's some way the when I will show you how to build an atomic model, you will able to see that there are so many version, so many types of file formats, so you can use those one. So let's see. So first there I'm so sorry, it's so this one, our Avogadro software, we need to first we need what we can do there, we need to change the background color of this software, because I prefer the white one. And why? If you want, you can use the black version also, but the thing is, if you use the white color, you will be able to see the atomic model clearly. Okay, so okay, wait, okay, done. So before start to do the atomic model, first we need to do, there is an option like file, and if you have any existing file, you can choose this one, open recent. I have something there because I did some work before, that's why I have the PDB file, what I said before. Like I want to save this one as a new file. Okay, save it. There is option like PDB, CML, games, Gaussian, Cartesian input, Gaussian Z matrix input. This too is important for the atomic model, but here I will show you just this one. Okay, so this is automatically here. So if you want to change the directory, you can change, if you want you can change it. So save. Why I save it? Because if you don't want to save this file, then there is a problem with this software, is that is sometimes when you start to work with this software, it will automatically delete it. If you are not able to uh, save this software, then your all work will be vanished from this. So before doing starting to build an atomic model, I just want to show you something. There is an option like this, then this one, a draw tool. So using this draw tool, you will able to draw a atom. Suppose there is a tool settings. Okay, I prefer this smaller version. There is a display setting in there. So okay, what I prefer. Okay, okay, so there is an option like display types. So there are so many display types here, like ball and stick. If you want cartoon, then you can do this one. Like if you want to make a ring, then you can make this one. Like now we need a display setting here for display setting. So let's go to the previous section before. So like I don't want ring, so if I want, their carbon is there, so here I choose single bond. That's why it's looks like that. Okay, so I don't want these things. I just want to show you how to uh, build an atomic model in a single bond. So Ctrl Z, like there I don't want these things, so select this one. This one is like a tool. Just a minute. This one is called selection tools. If you want, so select these things and just click delete, because we don't want these things. So there, tool and display setting there. Okay, no, it's not like that. Okay, delete it. Okay, I need to open that one again because I did something wrong there. Okay, okay, now it's fine. Okay, let's do that again. View, display color change, black into white. So it's done. Okay, then so this one, this I want to show you something like that. They already showed this one. So this one named is like manipulating tools. So if you want to drag atoms from there, you can use this one. So if you want to rotate your atom, so it's a rotating tool. There is a option tools for auto optimization tool. If you want to, you can use this software and you can optimize your atomic model. So this one used for to check the angles between the atoms. Okay, so what we need right now, we need to build an atomic model. Okay, so there we choose, okay, display setting, yep, draw. We want to draw something. There is a single, see, there is an option for single. We need single bond, double bond, or triple bond. Okay, if we don't want, suppose if we do not uncheck here, so if I click carbon, see, just I want to show you, there automatically, can you see, there automatically they showed 4 hydrogen here, but I don't want these things. Stop. Okay, what I want, so I just want to build an atoms like this. It's a single bond, so if I want to double bond, I can do like this way, then again single bond, so do this, double bond, this one, single, this, and then after that again double. Okay, done. And now I want only hydrogen, so this one, like, okay, it's wrong, Control Z. So if you click Control Z, it's kind of if you want to delete something, so you can use Control Z, or using this tool you can select any atoms, and then if you want you can delete those atoms easily. So I want a single bond, so there is a hydrogen, there hydrogen bond, I'm sorry for this, hydrogen and hydrogen. Okay, done. My atomic model is ready. So what I need, I want to save this one. Okay, save for YouTube video. Okay, I guess it will be the YouTube video pdb file. Okay, done. I don't want like this way, so optimize this one. I want to optimize this atomic model. So what I want to do, I'm so sorry, I want to now I here we can there is option like this, extension, it's not like that. Okay, build view, there is extension and optimize geometry. If you want you can choose this one to optimize geometry. Okay, let's do that. So it already optimizes in your geometry and it looks so good. So but I want to show you the optimization tool also. So before doing that, I want to explain it, the why we need the optimize geometry. Like there is extension, and you can see if you click the optimize geometry, then your atom the atomic model which you built before, that will be that will show you and a perfect figure. like if you created your model, you want to optimize its geometry through the extension menu, then select, first you need to select the extensions menu, and then clicking optimize geometry, you will provide your molecule with proper bond length and angle. So that's why we need this one. See, now it looks perfect, and it will show you the proper length and angles of that atomic model. Okay, so I want to show you another things. There is like this one. I told you before, this one is a selection tool. So this one selection tool, why we need that? If you want, like if you click this one and you want to delete something, you can delete your atom. So I don't want to do this, so before, that's why I want to show you the extra things like this way, and this. Okay, then I will show you how to use this tool, this selection tool. Okay, so first I already select. There is a, like if you select this one and just click delete, that atoms and the bond will be deleted automatically. Or you just select the whole things together, then just click the delete option. Okay, Control Z. I want to show you other things. So you just see that when I delete the option, there is a 3 option. First there is atom or bond, residue and molecule. Okay, the atom and bond selection mode provides you with the ability to select a single atoms. So if you want to delete a single atom, you just select this one. This is achieved by left clicking on the atom and press and holding the shift key allows for the selecting of multiple atoms. Okay, so I don't want this, delete. No, okay. Control Z. Then okay, so after clicking that things, you can easily delete that one. So there is a residue option. I want to show you the residue option. So residue selection mode select an entire residue within a molecule. A residue is selected by clicking in a single atom. Okay, residue, I do this, select this. See, when you choose the atom at this one, so if you just select this one, that means you just want to delete one atom. But when you select the residue, that means you if you want, you can delete your the whole atomic model in just one click. See, so I just select that one and using the residue option, and after that in our Mac there is a keyboard and there is optional delete. So if you just click that one, and then that atom is totally deleted from your display. So I want to show you other things, that's why I press Command Z, then it will come back again. Then there is an option like molecule. Okay, so now I want to show why we need molecule option. If you select molecule option, that will select your entire molecule by clicking an atom. So just click one atom, the same thing, it's similar like a residue option. So if you double click an atom, see, okay, just select and delete. Okay, so if I think everything is done, um, I already show you how to create atomic model and single. If you want a single bond, you can use this one. If you want double bond, just do that. If you want triple bond, just use this. So now I don't want this, I want to delete this, so delete, it's done. So there, I want to show you again this one. Suppose single bond, this, if the adjusted hydrogen box is checked, that means when you click the atoms, automatically it will adjust your atoms with hydrogen. So I already showed the atomic model part and optimization, geometry, how to optimize those things. Okay, optimization is done. Now I need the another things, it's navigative. This one, it's a navigative setting. Okay. So if you click this, just do this by clicking anywhere in the display and dragging. And if you want to see, if you want to drag it, then just display and see it started rotating. So if you want to see that your atomic model, how it look like, if you want to tilt it, you can. If you want to rotate it, you can. So you can say this one kind of rotating option tools. Okay, so this one already done. By scrolling it, you can if you can rotate your molecule using that tools. Okay, there is an option for this one. See, there is an option like this one named, just a minute, what, bond centric manipulating tool. Okay, so why we need that bond centric atomic tool? Like there, I want to show you something. There is two box here. One is show angles and another is snap to bonds. Okay, just we want to see the angles between the two atoms. So if you click these things, then you will able to show they will show you the angle. Okay, just do this like this, it will show you the atomic model. Okay, I want you to I don't want the ring option there, or it's a ball and this. So this one, Control Z, not double single. Okay, first do this, then hydrogen. I want to it will be easy for me to show you the how to modify angle for methane. Okay, so that's why I did this. I want extension. Okay, I did this. See, it's done. Now I want to show you the angles between atoms. If you want to zoom your atomic model, you can do this like this way. Okay, so just do that. Okay, I was clicking in a wrong place, so there you can able to see. I just click in the um, bond and between the two atoms, and there it will show you the angles between this section and there. See, from hydrogen to hydrogen there is 140.4 degree, and there it's 94.6, and here you can able to see that the bond length. What's the bond length between them? 2.92 Armstrong. Okay, so to using this bond centric manipulating tool, that will show you two things. One is angle and another is snap to bond. So snap to bond, what is snap to bond? Snap to bond determines how many degrees away a plane has to be snapped to and adjust a bond plane. So for an example, there we used 10 degree snap to threshold, snap on snap to threshold. So snap to threshold is 10 degree. Therefore, if the plane being rotated comes within 10 degree of adjacent bond, it will snap to the adjacent bond in a plane. Changing to snap threshold in 90 degree. Okay, just I want to show you in 90 degree. Just do that. Okay, then click this. So if you click this one in 90 degree angle, and is quickly tricked to rotate a plane. See, okay, so building atomic model done. I also want to show you some I will also want to show you few things, how to draw these things and how to do this. Okay, optimization. So there is option for auto optimization tool. So why we need that? So auto optimization tool, there is a few options. There is a force field, step per update, algorithm. So if you want, you can change the force field, but here I want to show you this auto optimization tool setting provides several force field options. So by default it will show you in Avogadro UFF. So what is the UFF? Universal force field. So universally this one is used. Universal force field, that UFF, can generally reproduce the most structural features across the periodic table. So it will show you the atomic and bond and using the periodic table. However, depending on the molecule being optimized, the other force field may be later suited to optimize the molecular parameters. So these force field options are shown in here. So I just show you there is a 4 option: G, F, F, chemical, MMF 94, MMFF 94S. So here I will show you that this one only because most of the time we use this one. Okay, by default there is a 4 step. The number can be increased or decreased if you have a slower computer, consider, so if you can decrease the number. So Avogadro also has the capability to apply specific algorithm depending on your need. So there you can see the slippage descent, conjugated gradients, molecular dynamic 300k, molecular dynamic 600k, and molecular dynamic 900k. So it's automatically fixed here. If you want, you can change that one also, but I don't want to change it, so I use the same things. Okay, if I click start, then it automatically show you the this one is auto optimization tool. So we already optimize our atomic model. Stop, start. So it will show you auto optimization energy is 59.1838 kilojoule per mole. Okay, stop. We stop it, and there I want to show you another option in the extension tool. There is an option like molecular mechanics, and then select fix a selected atom. Why it's not working? Okay, just extension. This one manipulating tool. If you want, you can drag this one, change this one. Like if you want, you can change the length manually. So this one dragging is like seems like change the distance of the atom. Okay, like this, like this, like this. I want to change the atom. It's just like a fun. It's not looks good, but I just want to show you that how to do that. Okay, there's a extension, molecular mechanics, and fix selected atom. Okay, so I don't want to change this things, just do this. Okay, now I want to show you how to measure the angles distance. Okay, so do that. 1, this one 2, this one 3. See, uncheck. First I want to show you the distance between the two atoms. So what is the distance between two atoms? 8 point, see there is written 8.534 Armstrong. Okay, so it shows it's carbon and hydrogen, distance between carbon and hydrogen. Now I want to see the distance between this hydrogen and this. It's 13.266 Armstrong. Okay, so I want to see the angles between the three atoms. So if you want to see the distance between the atoms, then you need to select the two atoms. If you want to see the angles, the value of angles, then you need to select 3 atoms instead of 2. So here I just select 3. If I select 3, it will show you the angles. See, there is angles, it's 73.9. and now we need something. See, there is a distance, it will show you the distance from 2 to 3. Okay, just see, it's 2 to 3. Okay, one. Okay, I want to see, it seems this one. Okay, what happened? So another tricks I want to share with you, that is, before doing all of these things, do not use the auto optimization tool or this option. This option is like auto optimization tool, so never do that. So if you want to see the atomic distance, you can see it before, but it's difficult. One, if you want to see the angles distance and the atomic dihedral angle, so it's better to do it early as possible. So this will show you distance, and I need three atoms because I want to see the angles between them. Okay, and if you want to see the dihedral angle, then you need to select 4 atoms. See, that means dihedral angle is 173.14. Okay, see, this will show you the angle between them. If like this way, if you want, you can change this one. Now I want to manipulate this. Okay, so you can able to see that if I want, I can change the angle manually. Suppose I want this angle 109.5 degree. It's done. Then now I want to see the angle between this. Only 87.1. I don't want this, so I want to increase this one. Increase in 104. So see, when you change the angle will be changed, distance between the atom will be changed, so you can do it manually. So there is an option I want to show you, that there is extension tool, molecular molecular mechanics. So there we already select those options, extension, molecular mechanics. So it's a setup force field. If you want, you can set up the force field. See, there is force field is not selected. How many steps we needed, you can change this one. I need 4 this. Okay, then there calculate energy it shows. Okay, done. Another things, it's okay, how many atoms are there. There are so many atoms, that's why it will show you like this way. so I don't want this, because otherwise you will not able to understand those things. So I just delete this one. Now save. Okay, now you are able to see the calculate energy. Okay, so it will show you the energy of this one. Molecular mechanics. How many atoms are here? 4. Only 4 atoms are here. Done. Constraint. What is constraint? Okay, so there fix atom in x direction, distance, angle. So I want to change the angle between them. 4. No, okay, 3. Angle, obviously it's between 3 angle. 5. Okay. Okay, then there is a extension. No, we don't need this. Fix selected atom. Okay, so that's it. In like this way you can able to see it. So I already showed you how to build an atomic model. Not only show you the how to build an atomic model, I also show you how to see the bond, how to see the distance, angle and dihedral angle, the value of them, and modify those things. So it's super easy. So like this way. Okay, so just I want to show those things again. This just a minute. Manipulating tool. Okay, now do this. 1. You need to click you need to click forcefully. So I did this, that. Okay, so now it shows the dihedral angle between 2 atoms, distance like 1 to 2 atoms, distance between this in that one. This one is 2 to 3 and that one is 2 to 4. So it's already done. So extension, optimization. Okay, optimize geometry, done. This one, if I click start, it already stopped. Okay, there is a file section, edit, view. Like see, it's there is so many options. Duplicate view. Suppose if you want to duplicate these things, just click this. There is so many options: full screen mode, reset display type, set color. Okay, projection, how will be this one, perspective or orthographic. So now you want to see the properties of the atom. So molecular property, let's see molecular property. They don't know the name of that. So view, properties, molecular property, where it's gone. Then there is a option will be atomic properties. See, it will show you the atomic properties there. Okay, then there again bond properties. It shows you the bond properties: carbon to hydrogen, carbon to hydrogen, and carbon to hydrogen. Okay, and then there is another option like angle properties. Okay, see, if you click this one, you can change the angle manually. I just click this, so you can able to see this. If I change the angle between hydrogen, carbon and hydrogen, then it will automatically change the other angles also. So it's a fun. If just try it at home and let's see what happened. If you have any question, you can ask me or you can send me email, or I think if you watch this video clearly, then you will able to draw uh, the atomic model easily and modify those stuff. So I did this, start, it's already done, stop, everything is done. I changed the angle, dihedral angle and distance. Most of the things are shown in here. So there I want to show you another thing, major tools. This one is done. This one called major tools, name of that tool is major tools. Using major tools you will see the angle, distance and dihedral angle. This one called align tool. Align tool means it's, if you click this one, that means align tool is used for rotate and translate the molecule. See, if you want to rotate, so it's started to rotate in Z direction. See, there is a Z. Okay. If you want to change the axis, it will change in X direction. See, so clicking align is if you click the align tools and do like this way, so now it started to rotate. That green, the red axis here, red axis for x-axis, green one is y-axis and the blue one for z-axis. Okay, align, and now done. So there x, y, z axis shown in the below. Now I want to show you how to save this file. I already showed you there is a save as option. Okay, done. So if you want to revert to save, you can choose this one, and there is import option. Like if you want to a molecule file, you can choose this one, trajectory, crystal, fetch from PDB. So there is option, and there is option like export. Suppose we want to see this one in a graphical way, graphics. So see, suppose you need this atomic model to show somewhere. If you want to show in this atomic model in your presentation, you can choose this things. There is a ping, PG, JPEG. This both will show you the image of that. Save. So I just saved it. So I already saved these things. Okay, let's see where it's saved. Export graphic. Okay, so I want to show you that where it's saved and how it looks like. there. See, it's a pink version. Okay, close. Now I want to save it in JPG version. Okay, let's see how it looks like. Save. Then I want to show you those things again. This one is JPG version, like this way. Close this version. File, import molecular file, so you can choose if you want this kind of things. File. Vector graphic, if you want to do like this way. Okay, save. So that will show you the another things. See, this one this one is not look so good, but I prefer what I prefer, like in a Mac there is an option like Shift Command and 4. If you want this, like there is like crop option for this one, just do this. See, automatically it will show you that figure. I don't need this, so just delete. Another option is like Shift Command 3, so it will save the whole screen of your laptop. So done. So thank you for listening my video and watching these things. Thanks one again.